I'm in Spain, Madrid International Airport, and I am getting ready to board a plane to Cairo, Egypt. I am traveling for the Education Matrix channel membership to learn more about IQD exchange. But of course, if you view this channel regularly, then you know I'm also about slow travel. I'm retired, and slow travel is what I do. I stay in one place for 30 days to 6 months, like when I'm in Mexico. So, when I was a tax professional, one of the things that the financial advisors always encouraged my tax clients to do was to use the 4% rule for retirement. And I want to share with you the details about the 4% rule because there is a little bit of conflict about it, but it works well for me. Although I supplement my income, as you know, as working as a digital nomad, a retired digital nomad. He's so precious. At any rate, that's enough. I don't know you don't want to hear me babble on, but travel is wonderful, especially in your golden years, and having the finances to do it is what retirement is all about. So take a look and a listen at this video on the 4% rule and let me know in the comment section what you think. Over and out, Spain.
Let's talk about one of the biggest fears people have about retirement.
Running out of money.
It's a fear that keeps people awake at night, a fear that makes people delay retirement longer than they want to, a fear that makes people wonder, what if I live too long?
If you've ever had that thought, you're not alone.
And today we're going to talk about something that has helped millions of retirees sleep better at night.
It's called the 4% rule. And once you understand it, you'll realize why so many financial planners still rely on it decades later.
What is the 4% rule?
The 4% rule is a simple guideline for retirement spending.
It says this.
If you withdraw 4% of your retirement savings in your first year of retirement and then adjust that amount for inflation each year, your money should last about 30 years or more.
That's it.
No complicated formulas, no day trading, no guessing the market.
Just a simple starting point for knowing how much you can safely spend.
Let's make this easy to understand.
Imagine this.
You retire with $500,000 saved.
4% of $500,000 is $20,000.
So in your first year of retirement, you withdraw $20,000.
The next year, you increase that amount slightly to keep up with inflation.
If inflation is 3%, your second year withdrawal becomes about $20,600.
And so on.
The idea is that your investments continue to grow while you're withdrawing, so your money doesn't run out too soon.
Where did the 4% rule come from?
This rule didn't come from a guess.
It came from a major study done in the 1990s called the Trinity Study.
Researchers looked at decades of market data, including the Great Depression, wars, recessions, and booms.
They tested different withdrawal rates to see how long money would last.
What they found was powerful.
A portfolio invested in a mix of stocks and bonds had a very high chance of lasting at least 30 years, when withdrawals were kept at 4%.
Even during bad market periods, even during crashes.
That's why the rule is still widely used today.
Why the 4% rule brings peace of mind.
The real power of the 4% rule isn't just math.
It's emotional.
It answers the question so many retirees quietly worry about.
Will I outlive my money?
For most people, the answer is no, if they follow this rule wisely.
You don't have to guess how much to spend each month. You don't have to panic when the market dips. You don't have to live in fear of turning 85 or 90. You have a framework. And frameworks create confidence.
A real-life example.
Let's say someone retires with $750,000 in savings. Social Security covers basic bills. The 4% rule provides extra income.
4% of $750,000 is $30,000 per year.
That's $2,500 per month before taxes.
Add Social Security on top of that, and suddenly retirement feels much more stable.
And remember that $30,000 increases each year with inflation.
You're not stuck with the same income forever.
What the 4% rule does not mean.
This is important.
The 4% rule does not mean you must spend exactly 4% every year. You can't adjust spending. Your money stops at year 30. You can't leave money behind.
In fact, many retirees end up with more money than they started with.
Because markets tend to grow over time, and most people don't spend as much as they think they will.
The big fear, what if I live too long?
This is the question nobody likes to say out loud.
But let's be honest.
Living a long life is not a financial problem.
It's a blessing.
The 4% rule was designed specifically to handle long retirements, 30 years or more.
If you retire at 65, that takes you to age 95.
And even then, many portfolios still have money left.
Plus, today's retirees often have Social Security, pensions, part-time income, rental income, lower living costs later in life.
The 4% rule is just one layer of protection, not the only one.
Why some people say the 4% rule is dead.
You may hear people online say the 4% rule no longer works.
Here's the truth. They're usually talking about worst-case scenarios, not normal retirement life.
Yes, markets fluctuate. Yes, inflation can rise. Yes, healthcare costs can increase.
But retirees also adapt. They spend less during market downturns. They travel less later in life. They downsize. They adjust.
Real people are flexible.
The 4% rule assumes zero flexibility, and even then, it still works remarkably well.
A smarter way to think about it.
Think of the 4% rule as a starting point, not a rigid law.
You can spend a little less during bad market years. Spend a little more during good years. Adjust as your life changes. Combine it with Social Security and pensions.
This flexibility makes your money last even longer.
The biggest mistake retirees make.
The biggest mistake is not overspending, it's underspending out of fear.
Many retirees live far below their means because they're afraid to touch their money.
They skip trips. They delay experiences. They worry constantly.
Meanwhile, their accounts quietly grow.
The 4% rule gives you permission to enjoy the money you worked your whole life to save.
The 4% rule isn't about being reckless.
It's about being realistic.
It's about balance.
It's about knowing that your money can work for you, even after you stop working.
And most importantly,
It's about peace of mind.
Because retirement isn't about dying with the most money.
it's about living well without fear and knowing you planned wisely.
If you've been worried about outliving your retirement savings, take a breath. You may be in far better shape than you think.
And here's something else many retirees don't realize.
The 4% rule works even better when you add a small stream of extra income.
Today, more retirees than ever are using the power of the internet to boost their spending money, fund travel, and create breathing room in their budgets without going back to a full-time job.
We're not talking about high-stress work or complicated businesses.
We're talking about simple, flexible, online income streams that can be done from anywhere in the world.
Things like freelance work, digital products, tutoring, consulting, blogging, YouTube, selling ebooks, or even managing small online businesses from a laptop.
And the best part? You don't need to be tech-savvy. You don't need a big following. You don't need to work full-time.
Even a few $100s a month can dramatically reduce how much you need to withdraw from your retirement savings, which makes your money last even longer.
That's exactly how many retirees are traveling more, stressing less, and enjoying life on their own terms.
In fact, Sandy, the publisher of this channel, is living proof of this. She's retired, lives as a digital nomad, and earns extra income online while traveling the world. She's not selling hype. She's doing what thousands of retirees and expats are already doing.
And she created a course on Udemy that shows exactly how it works. Real opportunities, real side hustles, and real ways retirees are earning extra income each month using the internet.
No gimmicks, no get-rich-quick schemes, just practical ways to earn while enjoying retirement.
If you'd like to explore that, be sure to check the description below.
You'll find helpful resources there. Some are completely free, and others are available through the Kindle store on Amazon for those who want to go deeper.
Because when you combine the 4% rule with even a small amount of extra income,
You gain freedom, you gain confidence, and you gain the ability to enjoy retirement without constantly worrying about money.
And that's what retirement should really be about.